తెలంగాణ మహిళా విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో సెంట్రల్ బ్యూరో ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో జాతీయ పోషకాహార మాసోత్సవాల్లో భాగంగా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పోషకాహారం అనే కార్యక్రమంపై 5 రోజుల ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ను ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ జిష్ణుదేవ్ వర్మ, ఇన్ఛార్జి వీసీ ప్రొఫెసర్ విజయలత, సిబిసి ఏడీజీ శృతి పాటిల్, శాస్త్రవేత్త డాక్టర్ జి భానుప్రసాద్ రెడ్డిలతో కలిసి ఫోటో ఎగ్జిబిషన్, పోషక విలువలతో కూడిన ఆహార పదార్థాల స్టాళ్లను గవర్నర్ ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన సమావేశంలో గవర్నర్ మాట్లాడుతూ విద్యా సంస్థలు, విద్యార్థులు పోషకాహార పదార్థాలపైన ప్రజలకు మరింత అవగాహన కల్పించాల్సిన బాధ్యత మీపై ఉందన్నారు.
ఇబ్బంది పెట్టమే నేను అసలు దగ్గర మనోడు ఉన్నాడు కదా పాలు మీకన్నా అర్థమైంది.
మిత్రమా కొద్దిగా కొంచెం లక్ష్మణ్ చూపించు తీసి.
And what they do is they call people entrepreneurs who are interested, incubate their businesses, and then they come out with they sell out.
Our village working now. People are popular like village. No. Village startup.
Analog rice, millets, advanced technology
Which has less plastic.
Whatever it may be, you take any district, any state, any district, any village, every sort of folk form from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everything is under central.
In Assam, and he told us an anecdote, a small story he told us. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, he told us that one forest correspondent had come to him, a very eminent and very famous foreign correspondent had come to him when he was Prime Minister, and they asked him, Mr. Prime Minister, what is the future of India? Please tell us. You are such a learned person, been in politics for so long, you are a poet, a good orator, you should tell us what is the future of India. And he told us, he replied to that eminent journalist, why are you wasting your time coming to me? Go to the universities, go to the colleges, talk to the students, see the dreams in their eyes, and you will realize where the country is going in the future. So I always remember this when I come to colleges. And it's very nice to see today that, we are doing a Poshan Abhiyan, nutrition. We are talking of Viksit Bharat. And many people misconstrue or believe that Viksit Bharat means economically Viksit, that we should have money. That is important. Because many things nowadays are dependent on the economy. Economy is a very important thing. But Viksit Bharat includes a Viksit mind and a Viksit body. A healthy mind, a healthy body is the definition of a Viksit Bharat or developed Bharat. And to go to that destination or reach that goal is a very difficult task. Because we have tribals, we have SCs, we have so many communities. India is a diverse country. I have come from the northeast and today I am governor of Telangana. And Mr. Reddy is from Telangana, he is in Tripura. So this is a country which has, different types of cultures, different types of languages. And to reach out to to the last man is this challenge actually. The challenge is how to reach to the last man. And Poshan actually has to go there. And I am very happy to know the ADG was telling me. It's a very innovative way and I congratulate them. that they are using traditional art forms to pass the message of Poshan, nutrition. I saw the Gaon dance. It's a beautiful dance from the tribal community. A unique dance that I have not seen anywhere else. And I saw the Burra Katha. She told me it is known as the Burra Katha. Very popular in villages. And they were talking about, fighting anemia. They were passing the message of nutrition, of diet. And that is the way to carry it forward. That is the way to reach out, one of the ways to reach out, or to build awareness in the villages in the last mile. Then we had the Panna Suddhi. I could understand the last line. The last line, Nav Bharat Nirman, he said. So I could understand that they were talking about making a new nation, a developed nation. So that's a very nice, innovative way and a beautiful way to reach out to the last mile, to the last person